Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Mary the marionette from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very cool looking character. So to begin, we can just draw in one big circle for his head. Pretty much the same as all the, well, most of the Piggy characters. Alright, so just one big circle, and then from here we're going to draw in his nose. So it's come to right in the center of this circle. You can make a little dot, and then from this point here, just come down, draw a small circle, that's going to be his nose. And then to finish up the snout area, come back to the center of this, come up slightly, make another point, and then this one, just one bigger circle, almost all the way down. Okay, so that's the snout area. And then now for his eyes, so just come out at an angle, whatever space you have here. Just another circle, and same thing here on this side. And then for this one, I'm just going to draw a smaller circle on the bottom, and then I'm going to shade up here, and then this one's going to be at the center, and I'll shade around that. So the smaller part is going to be the glowing red part for the eye. Alright, so from here let's draw in the ears. So it's got really big ears. So come to the side of this eye right here, just go up, you can make a little point. And then come to about the middle of this eye, make another point out here. So that's going to be the starting and end points for the ear. So I'm just going to draw one big arc. Okay, so let's draw in the same thing on the other side. Come up, about the middle of the eye. And then just kind of use the other side for reference if you have to, so that you can kind of draw the same size. Alright, and then from here, this part's going to be easier. We're just going to follow that curve. Just one more arc on the inside. Alright, so that's the head. Let's draw in the body. So right here, let's draw 2 lines, come straight down. That's going to be shoulder and the armpit area. For the body, I'm just going to pinch it in, just give it a slight curve. And come all the way across. Alright, so from here, let's draw in the arms. So again, here's the armpit. Just come up over here. It's going to be part of the arm. Just one little arc, and then from the bottom here, just go out. So a little bit longer on this side. So this is going to be the wrist. And then for his hand, one little hook for the thumb. And then this side here, just curve down like this. Just round it out and then come back in and just connect to that. So that's going to be the palm and the fingers. And then if you want to draw in another finger behind it, just draw one little bump. Alright, and we'll draw in some more details later. Let's go ahead and finish up this side. So armpit. Same thing here. Curve, and then this one slightly longer, just come out a little bit more. And the same thing here for the hand. So one bump for the thumb. And this one, let's curve down a little bit more, just give it a little bit more variation. So round it out, just curve back in. And for this one, we can add in the finger right here, just one little bump on the back. Alright, so just add some nice variation from this hand. And then now for the little details right here, I'm just going to add one little circle here. And then on this side, let's draw like a little rectangle kind of going into the arm. Okay, so same thing here. One little circle, and then right here, let's add 2 lines and then just close it off. Alright, so now let's come down for the legs, and the legs are very easy to draw. Let's start in the center here. One little line across, and then just kind of go up, connect to the top. And now we'll continue on with the inside of the leg first. So I'm going to give it a slight slant. Okay, and then this side on the outside, just come down, stop a little bit short here. One bump, and then just close this off. To continue down, stop, one bump. And if you want to make it a little bit more 3-dimensional, just continue this curve, just go in. So that's going to be his foot. Alright, so now let's come up and join those bars up top. And let's see, I'm just going to draw it at a slight angle here. So I'm going to start right here, draw one line. So this is going to be the center. And then give a little bit of space right here. Draw another line. Alright, so once you have this right here, just go up. Just draw a little bar and then close it off first. Okay, so we're going to come down here and draw in another line for the bottom of this. So just come down, you make 2 little points. And just go out. Just close that off. Okay, so once you have this, I'm going to continue this. Close it off. Again, it's very short. Alright, so it's kind of like a plus sign, just kind of stretch out. So now we're going to make it a little bit more 3-dimensional. So from this point here, just go up. And then one line across. So now we're seeing the side of this. So go up, across. And then one more up here, we'll go up. So now it looks a little bit more 3-dimensional. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in the little strings. So right in the middle of this, you make a little point. Just connect to the head. And then for this one, hope you guys can see this, it's gonna be quite a long line here. Right at the end, you make a little point. So I'm gonna connect all the way down here. So just go behind the ears. So it's all the way down to his hands. One little point, again, just down here. And that is it for this Mari. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.